Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making roasted sugar snap peas. This is a quick and easy side dish that you can make any night that pairs with any meal. It's super simple to make and it's loaded with flavor. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 1 pound of fresh sugar snap peas. We are also going to need 1 small red onion sliced thin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Before we get started, we're gonna preheat our oven to 425 degrees. We're gonna add in our red onions to our sugar snap peas and give these a toss till it's thoroughly mixed. Then we're gonna add in our olive oil and get everything coated. Then we're gonna add in our Italian seasoning, our garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. And we're gonna toss it all together till it's evenly coated. Then we're gonna take our snow peas, sugar peas, there's many different names for them. We're gonna lay them out on a cooking sheet, and we're gonna place these in our oven for 6 minutes. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. Now we're gonna want to give these a flip or a stir, and we're gonna go back into our oven for another 6 minutes. In 12 minutes, you have a great roasted vegetable side dish that will go great with any meal. Now there's many different ways that you can serve this. You can just keep it like this and let everybody dig in, or you can plate it up. And me being me, I gotta plate it up. Just gonna scoop all this up right into a nice big old bowl and serve it family style. Now let's step out and get a taste. Let's dig in. Make sure we get some of the snow peas and the onions. This is going to be a fantastic side dish for during the summer months when you have fresh garden vegetables. It's really nice. The roasting of the snow peas really brings out the sweetness. The onions, they got nice and caramelized, which also elevates it, and it adds a nice a little bit more sweetness to it, and it's perfectly seasoned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link for that description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.